Hey traders, Sam here. If you're running a trading bot, AI trading system, signal service, or even manually trading yourself, sooner or later you'll face the same problem. How do you copy trades from one account to multiple accounts quickly, reliably, and without creating a technical nightmare? Most traders try to solve this problem by buying multiple VPS servers, installing EAs on every account, or manually managing everything themselves. The result? More complexity, more costs, more things that can go wrong. Today, I'm going to show you the 3 best trade copiers for Forex, crypto, and futures trading in 2026. These are the same types of solutions used by professional traders, prop firm traders, signal providers, account managers, and trading bot operators to manage multiple accounts from one place. We'll cover how they work, their biggest advantages, their pricing, who they're best suited for, and make sure you stay until number 3, because most traders have never heard of it, yet it supports more trading platforms than almost anything else available today. Let's get started. Coming in at number 1 is Traders Connect. If your primary goal is speed and reliable execution, this is one of the strongest options currently available. One of the biggest reasons many traders love Traders Connect is because it removes nearly all of the technical headaches that usually come with trade copying. Everything runs completely in the cloud. That means no VPS, no EA installations, no complicated setup, no constantly monitoring whether everything is still running. Simply connect your accounts and manage everything through their cloud dashboard. Now let's talk about what really matters. Speed. Traders Connect typically delivers trade replication speeds around 20 to 30 milliseconds. For most strategies, that's extremely fast, especially if you're running scalping bots, automated systems, high-frequency trading strategies, prop firm challenges. The platform also supports MT4, MT5, cTrader, cTrader, which means you're not locked into one ecosystem. Another feature I personally like is the built-in equity protection system. This helps reduce the chances of accidentally violating account risk parameters or prop firm rules. Pricing starts around $10 per account. So if speed, simplicity, and bot trading are your priorities, Traders Connect is definitely worth considering. Coming in at number 2 is Social Trader Tools. This platform has been around for years and has become one of the most popular solutions among signal providers and professional account managers. If you're managing multiple MT4 or MT5 accounts simultaneously, Social Trader Tools is designed specifically for that use case. Like Traders Connect, everything runs in the cloud. Your accounts remain connected 24 hours a day without requiring the computer to stay online. Copy speeds average around 50 milliseconds. While not necessarily the fastest option on this list, it is extremely stable and highly reliable. Where Social Trader Tools really shines is account management. You get powerful risk controls including fixed lot sizing, percentage risk allocation, lot multipliers, equity-based risk settings. This allows you to customize how trades are copied between accounts. One feature that stands out is reverse copy. This allows you to automatically invert trades from a strategy. In simple terms, if a strategy buys, your account sells. And if it sells, your account buys. For traders testing alternative approaches, this can be incredibly useful. Another advantage is their white label solution. If you're running a signal service or copy trading business, you can brand the platform as your own. Pricing starts around $11 per month. For traders managing multiple MT4 and MT5 accounts from one dashboard, Social Trader Tools remains one of the strongest options available. Coming in at number 3 is Duplicium, and honestly, this is probably one of the most underrated trade copiers in the industry. The biggest reason? Platform compatibility. Most trade copiers support only a few trading platforms. Duplicium supports a huge range, including MT4, MT5, cTrader, cTrader, TradingView, TradingDate, NinjaTrader. This makes it ideal for traders operating across Forex, crypto, and futures markets. Setup is surprisingly simple. Everything is managed through their cloud dashboard known as the cockpit. Most users can be connected and running within just a few minutes. One of the most impressive features is its extremely low internal latency. We're talking about speeds as low as 1 to 3 milliseconds internally. The platform also includes global account protection. This feature allows you to manage risk across multiple connected accounts from one central location. Pricing is very competitive. You can start free with one master-slave connection. Paid plans begin at roughly €4 per account per month. If you trade across different brokers, platforms, or markets, Duplicium is easily one of the most flexible solutions available today. So which one should you choose? If your priority is speed and bot trading, choose Traders Connect. If your priority is managing multiple MT4 and MT5 accounts, choose Social Trader Tools. If your priority is cross-platform flexibility, choose Duplicium. Each platform solves a different problem. The best choice depends entirely on how you trade. One thing worth mentioning is that all three trade copiers are commonly used by traders operating funded accounts and prop firm challenges. However, every prop firm has different rules. Before connecting multiple accounts, always read and follow your firm's latest policies regarding trade copying and account management. I'll leave links to all three platforms in the description below so you can compare them yourself. Now here's something many traders get wrong. A trade copier doesn't make money. It simply copies trades. The real question is, what strategy are you copying? Because even the best trade copier in the world can't fix a bad trading system. So if you're looking for a beginner-friendly trading bot that you can test before spending thousands of dollars on software or courses, we've created a free trading bot test specifically for new traders. Whether your goal is your first $100, your first $1,000, or simply learning how automated trading works, you can get started in minutes. Visit www.wealthflow.pro. Create your account. Click Test the Bot free. Connect your MT4 or MT5 account and start in less than 15 minutes. No coding, no complex setup, no previous experience required. And if you want to learn how traders are using automation to target their first $1,000 to $5,000, check out the video appearing on your screen right now. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications. I'll see you in the next video.